Good afternoon. All praise to the ancestors. Today we are going to learn some basic Nahuatl words. So let's begin. Will be at means water. At means water. Quali means good. Quali. Amo quali means not good. Amo quali. Siwat means which means woman. Woman. Siwame means more than one woman. Totot means bird. Totot. Totome means birds. Totome. That being said, if you want to learn more Nahuatl words and their actual pronunciation, please leave a comment below. Uh, in this case, Tlasokamati Womiak. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon.